what's up? I'm gonna show you how to play Drop a Tear on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. For this song, you're gonna be in standard tuning with your capo on 5, C sharp, B minor, and A, but you're just gonna play them with these two top strings open, so I'll just call them open C sharp, open B minor, open A. So open C sharp is, well, you don't play the top string, so X 4 6 6 open open, 4 6 6 open open, and then open B minor is X 2 4 4 open open, and then open A will be X open 2 2 open open. So that's 4 6 6 open open, 2 4 4 open open, open 2 2 open open, and this is obviously all in relation to the capo being on the 5th. The strumming pattern will be down down up up down, 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 up, down. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hey, let me know what other songs you want to learn on guitar down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.